guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a soft glam get ready with me using my current favorite products. So I created this look today using a full face of products that I have been loving lately, gravitating towards, and basically using every time I need to do my makeup these days. So I really wanted to just share this look with you guys, and I just wanted to turn the camera on as I get ready for the day. So if you guys are interested in joining me as I get ready for the day, and if you're interested in knowing what products I've currently been loving, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright, so I want to start off by prepping my face, and I have honestly been loving the Dew of the Gods Dewy Collagen Face Primer. This is a primer, but honestly it's like a moisturizer, and with the winter weather and just like the dryness in the air, I've just been loving this product to add moisture to my face. Next up, a holy grail. This is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I like putting this stuff in my T-zone to really combat my large pores. And of course, if you've been watching my videos, you would know that I absolutely love the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist by Glow Recipe. This is just so refreshing and hydrating and adds just nice radiance and glow to the face. I just love this stuff. It makes you feel really good, which is honestly why I just love this product. I'm going in with one of my absolute favorite color correctors. It's a holy grail. This is the MAC Peach Lustre Color Correcting Stick. A little goes a long way with this stuff, so I'm just applying it on areas where I have hyperpigmentation and little acne scars. Just want to cover that up and just diffuse the imperfections on my face. And I like to just blend it out with my finger so it's not so harsh. And this way I can also evenly cover the area that I'm trying to correct. Alright, so face is nice and color corrected. So next up, what I want to do is go in with my base product. And I have been loving mixing these two products together. You guys know this, I've already shared this combo. It's the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation and the Per 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. So I'm going to first go in with the foundation and apply a little bit around the face, and then I will also go in with the tinted moisturizer and do the same. Alright, so base is done and I just love this combination. Next up, I want to do my eyes. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Huda Beauty Translucent Setting Powder. This is the Easy Bake in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm just applying a little bit of this on my lids, and then I'm going to blend that in, and basically I'm just prepping my lids. This is my quick and easy way for every day when I know I'm not doing a crazy eyeshadow look. This is just a fast way to prep the lids. So for eyeshadow, I like to just dust something neutral on the lids, and lately I have been loving the Beaute Bakerie Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I recently shared this palette with you guys on my channel and I did a review of it, and you guys, ever since I did that video, I have just been gravitating towards this palette, especially for every day because of all the neutrals in here. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bread Pudding, and I'm just gonna dust that all over my lid. It's like that perfect neutral shade that you want for every day. I'm taking a little bit of Spiced Caramel, which is this gorgeous soft shimmer, and I'm just gonna apply that onto the lid. And I'm making this super smoked out and natural. And then just clean it up with Bread Pudding as needed, but that is basically it for eyeshadow. I wanna pause on the eyes and work on the face, and then we'll go back in and add some mascara, and I'll share my mascara product with you guys in just a second that I absolutely love. But right now what I wanna do is contour the face, and I rediscovered the Huda Beauty Tantour contour and bronzer cream. I bought this a while ago, but I didn't actually use it that much because I wasn't really a big fan of cream contour and cream products, but now I have been loving them. So this is what the shade looks like. This is the shade Light. So we're gonna go ahead and contour. So a little goes a long way with this product. You really don't need that much. Look how beautiful that is. I just love how pigmented this is and how easily you can contour your face and add nice dimension and color and depth. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to reverse contour my nose, where I'm gonna add a bunch of bronzer on the nose right now. And then I'm going to go in with concealer and you guys will see what I do. I've been loving this trick. Next up, we're going in with my absolute favorite blush at the moment. This is the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Bliss. This is one of her matte blushes and I am just so in love with how cute this pink is, you guys. It's like a beautiful nude pink. I just love it. And I definitely probably put way too much blush on, but that's okay. I'll show you guys how I tone it down. So just don't fear, you know, we're gonna be okay. I like to go in with the back of my beauty sponge and just blend this out. I'm gonna go in with just a little more on the cheeks because once I go in with concealer, it's really going to disappear, you guys will see. So I like to just layer right off the bat. Time to clean up the face and add some concealer and brighten the face. We're going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, of course, a holy grail of mine. While everything is baking and setting in place, I want to do my brows. And for brows, of course, I love the Benefit Give Me a Brow, and I love the shade 4. And I basically just take this and I brush out my brows. And it's so quick and easy. I absolutely love it. It makes doing your brows really, really simple and quick. So yeah, I definitely love this product and recommend it to you guys. All right, brows are done. How quick and easy was that? I want to wipe away the setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. Next up, I want to share the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials palette with you guys. You've definitely seen this in a lot of my tutorials and videos. I absolutely love this highlight palette, you guys. I think it's just so beautiful, such high quality, and I just love the variety of highlight shades in here. I think it's just beautiful. I want to go in with the classic that I absolutely love, and that is Gleaming. Do you guys see that? That is just beautiful. I want to prep my lips real quick with the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Gloss. I absolutely love the Too Faced plumping glosses. They do such an amazing job at just prepping your lips, adding moisture, giving them a little bit of a plump so lipstick goes on really nicely, and it just gives me the perfect lip look that I always want to achieve. So I'm gonna apply some of this. So we're gonna let that do its thing, and I'm gonna quickly go off camera and do my lashes. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Lift. All right, eyes are done, and lastly I need to do my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the gloss because it's all done doing its thing. For lip liner, I'm going in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF3. I absolutely adore this lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Rose Velvet. I absolutely love this color. And the very last thing I have to do is lock my face in place, and I'm going in with a holy grail. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's Get Ready With Me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in seeing a full list of the products that I used today, I will have it down below in the description box for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more makeup tutorials by me, then make sure to check out my playlist. I'll have it linked up here somewhere and also down below in the description box for you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!